Hi children, welcome to Political Science class, Chapter 8, Markets Around Us. Children, what is a market? Market is a place where we buy and sell things. There are different kinds of markets. They are shops, hawker stalls, weekly market, shopping complex, etc. We go to these markets for our everyday needs. We can see buyers and sellers in a market. Weekly market. What is a weekly market? A market that is held on a specific day of the week is called a weekly market. Children, what are the features of a weekly market? Weekly markets do not have permanent shops. People go to weekly market for their everyday requirements. Many things in weekly market are available at cheaper rates. Weekly markets have large number of shops selling same goods. In weekly markets, buyers can bargain and bring the price down. People also prefer weekly markets because in weekly markets they have a choice and a variety of goods. Shops in the neighborhood. In our neighborhood, we can see many types of shops that sell goods and services. Most of these shops are permanent. We can also buy things from hawkers on the roadside. For example, vegetable hawkers, fruit vendors, etc. Shops in the neighborhood are useful to us because they are near our home and we can go there on any day of the week. In our neighborhood shops, the buyer and seller know each other and these shops provide goods on credit. Shopping complexes and malls. We have already discussed about weekly markets and market in our neighborhood. Now we are going to discuss about shopping complexes. Markets in urban areas that have many shops popularly known as shopping complexes. We can also see malls in urban areas. What are malls? Malls are large multi-storied air-conditioned buildings with shops on different floors. We can get both branded and non-branded items from these shops. Branded goods are expensive because they are often promoted by advertisements. They also claim better quality. Now we are going to talk about chain of markets. Children, do you have any idea about chain of markets? We buy goods from our neighborhood shop or from a shopping mall or from a weekly market. From where these shop owners collect these goods? It is through chain of markets that goods can reach in these shops. Goods are produced in factories, on farms and in homes. We cannot buy products directly from a producer or from a factory. The producers are not interested in selling their products in small quantities like 1 kilo rice or 1 pen or 1 book, etc. So, the wholesale trader first buy goods in large quantities from the farmers or from the factories. Trader is a person in between the producer and the final consumer. The wholesale trader then sells these goods to other traders. It is through these links of traders that goods reach faraway places. The trader who finally sells goods to the consumer is the retailer. Wholesale market. Wholesale market is a place where goods first reach and are then supplied to other traders. It is from here hawkers and other small traders buy these products. Markets everywhere. We can see different kinds of markets everywhere. These markets are in a specific locality and work in a particular manner and time. Nowadays, online purchasing grows very fast. People can place orders through phone and internet. They use their credit card to purchase goods and these goods are delivered at their homes. What is a credit card? A credit card is a card which allows people to buy items without cash. It is issued by bank. It allows us to make purchases and pay for them later. Markets and equality. There is inequality existed in between a wholesale trader and a small retail trader or a hawker. A small retail trader has little money to run the shop, whereas a wholesale trader has lot of money to run his shop. A small shop owner or a hawker earns small profit, whereas the shop owner in a shopping complex earns huge profit. A shop owner in a shopping complex mainly sells expensive and branded items, whereas a hawker or a small shop owner sells non-branded items. Similarly, buyers are also differently placed. Some are interested in buying branded items, while some others are interested in buying non-branded items. Thus, buying and selling of goods from markets depends on the money that we have. Now it's time to wind up the class. Thank you.